Hello everyone. Welcome to Study Wides Education. Super 100 Basic One-Liner, GK, General Knowledge, All Exam Useful, 01 Super 100. Indian History and Culture One-Liners in Question and Answer. Q1. Who became famous as Lohitwadi? Ans. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. Q2. Who led the rebels in Jagdishpur during the revolt of 1857? Ans. Kunwar Singh. Q3. What was Darul Shifa during the Sultanate period? Ans. Hospital. Q4. Who established the department called Diwanayam-e-Kohi, which was related to agriculture? Ans. Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Q5. Which state of South India was first attacked by Akbar? Ans. Ahmednagar. Ans. Ahmednagar. Q6. Who was the Peshwa during the Third Battle of Panipat? Ans. Balaji Bajirao. Ans. Balaji Bajirao. Q7. Vikramshila Mahavihara was established by the rulers of which dynasty? Ans. By the rulers of Pala dynasty. Q8. The book Tolkappiyam in Tamil is related to which subject? Ans. From Tamil grammar. Q9. In which book is the Gayatri mantra addressed to the sun goddess Gayatri? Ans. In Rigveda Sanhita. Ans. In Rigveda Sanhita. Q10. Which Sikh Guru was hanged by Aurangzeb? Q11. In which session of Congress was the oath of Purna Swaraj taken? Ans. In Lahore session, 1929. Q12. Which viceroy was assassinated by a prisoner during his visit to Andaman? Ans. Lord Mayo. Q13. Who is called the liberator of the Indian press? Ans. Sir Charles Metcalfe and Lord Macaulay. Q14. Who was the president of the Surat session of the Indian National Congress? Ans. Rash Bihari Ghosh. Ans. Q15. Who called Bal Gangadhar Tilak the father of Indian unrest? Ans. Valentine Chirol. Q16. Who founded Abhinav Bharat in London in 1904? Ans. Veer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Ans. Q17. Who was the Viceroy of India when the non-cooperation movement was started? Ans. Lord Chelmsford. Ans. Lord Chelmsford. Q18. Where did Mahatma Gandhi start the first successful Satyagraha movement after returning from South Africa? Ans. Champaran. Q19. In which year was the capital of India changed from Kolkata, Calcutta, to Delhi? Ans. In 1911 AD. Q20. Who was the leader of those who threw bombs on the Governor-General of India Lord Hardinge in Chandni Chowk, Delhi on 23 December 1912? Ans. Rash Bihari Bose.